Good morning. We are here at Cumberland Gap on Saturday. Friday. This is Friday. And it's right before a winter storm warning is supposed to hit tomorrow on Saturday. Midnight tonight. So, that's going to be interesting. It's supposed to be 60 degrees, so we're going to do everything we can to enjoy this day. It's really bright right now, and we're just going to try to make the most of it. Maybe go hiking. We got Julia here with us if we can get her out of bed. Hopefully. Okay.
If you get to that rock,
there's
you see that big rock?
Angel down there.
I think it's less steep to go straight up.
Yeah, if you can.
If you can.
Right here is super steep.
And super
I mean,
wet.
it's like 70 degrees. Okay. But we got on this ledge.
70? It's only 70?
Well, it's not a complete 90. But we can't go much more this way because we will have a complete 90 where those cliffs were. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to head up that way. Angel's going to head up the creek area down there. We'll see what she can do.
Oh, she's at the rock.
We're told that it's real snowy out today. After yesterday, it hit 68 degrees in Cumberland Gap. We're going to see what it looks like today. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, it's more like 8 inches. Here is our van. Oh my goodness. It's blowing and drifting. What in the world? We came down here so it would be nice. You can see how deep the snow is. And the wind is just as strong as can be. Lovely weather, right, Julia? Especially, yeah.
It's Christmas time, so come along with us and join us on this wonderful walk through this winter wonderland.
So we go south to get away from the snow. The snow follows us. So,
We get past. That works?
yeah, we're getting practice for owning an inn.
We're gonna attempt to hike up to somewhere. I mean, climb up. 3 places in one, that's right. Oh, my eyes are watering. Keep switching back from the sun onto the snow. Blinding me. Everything's icy because the ground was so warm yesterday. We'll see where the path leads.
Right now, we are walking in Virginia. A great state. We're all connected together right here in Tennessee and Kentucky, too.
Reminds you of something in Little House on the Prairie. When they have to go through all the snow. Ugh. Okay, there is a specific path right here. I didn't realize the cabin that's next to the old mill had been moved there.
Yeah, I didn't either.
So,
We are approaching the iron furnace right now. And man, this snow, it may not look that deep, but it really is. There's sections of it that is really deep.
make sure to take a picture of it.
This is the only part of the iron furnace that's left from the Civil War era, when they were making cannonballs and artillery. Somebody this morning came up before we did. You can see one set of, or 2 sets of footprints right there. Does anybody need a pair of boots? Just look at these right here.
We weird thing to do.
Especially because they were there before the snow.
Yeah. Maybe it's snowy last weekend down here? Or is it warm?
If they're still there on our way back, we should take them to the inn and ask them whose that might be, or if they know where to take them to.
My fingers are full, it doesn't want to work.
Yeah.
It's only my thumb that's cold. It's weird. Because the rest of my hand is like all hot from that scratch feeling.
Yeah.
I can't use that.
I just had a pile of snow fall down my neck from the trees.
No.
Yeah.
You can hear how strong the wind is. It's cold and blustery out here. It's amazing to keep warm when snow is falling down your back.
The snow is stuck to the southeast side. That's interesting. Yeah, you can see the way the clouds are moving. Yeah.
Gorgeous. I just love the snow when it sticks to stuff. It's so pretty.
Yeah. It's just so serene now.
Yeah. Love it.
The sound difference between the breeze blowing through now and then when the leaves are on.
Yeah.
This is like a hushed roar.
Yeah.
And that's almost like a sound of flowing water. You can see how much snow we got on there. Oh, now I'm blinded. It's blowing down. Yesterday we sent a family up this way who didn't know you could get to the park or 3 points from the side, and yeah. Though you can't hardly beat the view on this.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Am I ruining your picture? Or am I adding aesthetics to it? You just don't want to be under it when that snow falls.
We're gonna have to look it up. This is perfect
Yeah.
illustration for that poem. It's like we're in this snow-covered cavern. How cool is that?
It is. Aren't you glad we went on this? We were debating on whether to just stay inside all day because of the snow. It pretty much shut down the roads and everything else. But I'm glad that we went on this, even if the snow is blowing in our faces. My feet are very warm too. Mine's not.
My thumbs are cold.
Just squeeze your fist tighter. Yeah. I wonder if this is where the cabin was at one time.
Oh yeah, because we were trying to figure out what that was.
Dad said they had hardly not any up there. But Jerison said it snowed all day yesterday. What happens if we hit this?
John said go over and sent me a snap, but I want to send him a snap back when we get to the rock.
Okay. So different from yesterday. Yesterday we were sweating like crazy going up the mountain. But then again, I'm kind of sweating now.
I'm sweating a little bit, but my thighs are kind of cold.
So if we go this way, that'll take us to Cudjoe's Cave, which I think they call it Gap Cave now. And then this way takes us to the Tri-State Peak. So let's head up that way.
It's only like less than a mile. So when you're going uphill, there's a lot more arduous.
Yeah, definitely when you
add all this snow in, woo,
you get your workout, don't you?
I don't feel bad about anything I did today. Earned it.
This right here is actually a view from the afternoon, and it is just incredibly beautiful here. The snow covering the trees and the rocks and just gently flowing down, the wind blowing across. It is incredible. Here you can see the gap where Daniel Boone crossed. That way we're looking towards Middlesboro.
Funny how from here, the peak on the left looks so high, but over here it doesn't. But it is, it's much higher. So we measured, according to the compass app on our iPhones, the elevation on our property is about 1,800 on a high mountain on the south side. Well, they're both around 1,800. And I believe we measured the one over here at about 2,400. That would be the pinnacle. Let's read what the board says. Yeah, that was interesting. There's so much spring water always flowing on this trail. I'm glad we brought some warm clothes.
Yeah.
It's a little slippery here. We are getting close. We're not all that far. The snow's on the other side of the trees now. We're getting close to the gap itself, and the wind is really picking up. Wind's getting stronger up here. I think you can probably hear it. So far there's only steps going up. There's no footprints coming back down. Maybe to the other side. Definitely deeper snow right here. Now look at that. We can see it. see how strong the wind is right here. We're in 3 states now. I kept going to the Cumberland trailhead. We haven't gone on beyond this. It's really cold up here. Did you do that picture?
Yeah.
Chickadees? What was that flower we picked yesterday? A daffodil. Yeah. Okay, Angel's heading back. Somebody came and went this way. See the tracks. I haven't gone this way before at all. And that's the water that feeds the old mill and the furnace. Funny noises down there. funny that bird wasn't afraid of me. I think that's our first animal print, but I don't even know what that is. How in the world did they get a cement truck up here? This must be where the waterfall starts.
What is this that we're coming up to? Hey, this is a pretty neat image here, but we look like we're approaching a cave. Yep, this is the official entrance, I believe, to Gap Cave. I'm going to leave the pictures up here so you can read it yourself and see the history behind this cave. Now, it doesn't show everything, but it looks like it has been going on. They have found over 18 miles down here and still have not reached the end of the cave. It's pretty cool.
Very interesting. It's gated off. I guess they don't want anybody back here. So you have to about climb through there. Look at that.
Now, if you noticed in that drone picture just a little bit back, you'll see that there was another cave on the bottom part. That's this right here. That's where the water is actually coming down and flowing across the sidewalk that I showed you. And it's also flowing down into the town of Cumberland Gap. That is the source. And the water temperature actually feels warm, especially when it's this cold out.
Pretty sure I remember seeing a picture where that actually was a road along here. Maybe the old 25 East or something. Okay. Got a switch back here. Looks like most of the roads are cleared now, at least from this vantage point. Oh, this is steep and slippery. Okay. Another switchback.
There's got to be something here climbing up these stairs and the sand. Wow. Look at that entrance. Wonder what that goes to. Inside the cave, it looks like I can see the bars in there just like last time. That is a crazy entrance. Oh, look, this one, maybe this is actually the main entrance if you can get a tour. Okay, let's examine this here first. My glasses are completely fogged up. There's a lot of warm, moist air coming out of this entrance. Okay, my glasses are cleared up, I think. Kind of. Okay, we'll stand back, but not too far back, because we're like at the edge of a cliff. Okay. This is where we came from. I'm guessing this must be the cave. Somebody had mortared it up. I'm not sure if this is the whole entrance or if there's more somewhere else. If we can actually see anything or not. Okay. See if we can wipe the leads off. Okay. Okay, see down there? I'll have to look a little later because my glasses are still fogged. Interesting. Okay. So I think we can say we've been to Cudjoe's Cave, or Gap Cave. But man, it is seriously warm air coming out of there. It's probably 55. So in the summertime it probably feels cool. Right now it's 25 degrees outside, so that's probably why this is just a warm, there's just a breeze blowing through here. Okay, let's see where we're at. My glasses are so fogged up I can't see anything, but you can see the breeze actually blowing weeds right around it. And it's warm in there. Okay, let's try to go down without slipping and falling. I thought in the pictures we'd seen a big entrance to the cave. Maybe there is somewhere. Looks like I'm the only one that came up today. No good snow video would be complete without checking out the beaver dams at our property in southeast Kentucky. This is the beaver dam from the road. It actually looks like a waterfall right there going over.
There's a lot of water out here right now.
Let's do one last evening flyover of Pinnacle Mountain. It really looks incredible with the sun sitting where it's at right here in the early morning. And we curve around the mountain right here. It is incredible to see the way the light reflects off these evergreen trees and the stones on the mountain. The height of Pinnacle Mountain here is about 2,400 feet. And I think if you look close, you'll even be able to see the lookout. It's actually in the shape of a heart. And you actually see it. It's right there in the center of the screen. I can't imagine the people who built this and how they did it in, I think it was during the CCC, but I just look at that and see it in awe. Take care, guys. God bless. Be sure to subscribe and share this video on the channel. Love to get more subscribers so more people could be blessed by this. Take care. I wish you all a Merry Christmas from Bryce and Angel here at Peace in the Valley.